Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on eToro. And in today's video I will show you as quick as possible how we can create an account right here on eToro. So let's start right here with clicking on Start Investing. And then we fill in right here our email address. Then we fill in right here our username. Oh, what is this? Okay, a verification, that is fine. There we go. And then right now we do it again. So we fill in right here our email address. Then we fill in our username and then we create right here a password. And then we accept right here the terms and conditions. And then we do right here this one and then we do create account. Then right now we do no thanks. And if you can see right here, they're telling us you're on the path to investing. We just need to collect some details. Now let's do it. And then they want our information from here. So what we're going to do. Okay, and there we go. Now we are in and now we are having an account on eToro. And that was exactly why you clicked right here on this video. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.